Hello guys and welcome back. FYI, if you can hear live music outside, I'm hopefully planning that the background music of this video will be enough to drown out the music that you can hear. I don't know what's going on outside and I'm filming on a Saturday and obviously it's the kind of day where stuff is going on, so hopefully you can't hear it. But today I have another try on haul. I'm super excited. I'm loving this setup. Let me know what you think. Coming with some cozy realness. I'm really liking it. Love hauls. I love try on hauls. I love fashion. You guys know this. So I'm super happy because I've got some hauls coming your way and just lots more fashion content, which makes me really happy because I know that you guys really love the fashion content. Be sure to subscribe down below if you love fashion stuff, and also be sure to click the bell so you don't miss any uploads, and follow my Instagram, which is just at Leyla. Let's just get straight into it. I honestly don't want to ramble for too long because I just know that when it comes to talking about the clothing, I'm going to ramble. So the first place, Asos for 20% off site-wide, and I was like, yes please. Can you guys hear the Christmas music? Okay, so the first item that I think I'm going to show you is the biggest one. I don't usually start with coats, but this one is amazing. But it is so warm. It's a really pretty cream colored teddy style jacket. Obviously this teddy material that's super popular right now. I know everyone's loving it, especially for this weather because it really does keep you warm. And this is actually from the brand Monkey, and of course got it on Asos, and I got this in the size small and I'm really loving this. It has a collar, it has a zip up, and I just feel like it's a really versatile color. I feel like you can wear this with a lot. It actually looks quite glam, which isn't usually the kind of style that I tend to go for, but you know me, casual queen, I make everything somehow casual. But what I love about this kind of jacket is that you can kind of wear it with anything. I could have sworn I got more. I'm gonna go check my room because I'm sure there's more. Maybe sometimes. Knew it. Okay, back to the haul. So next we have a pair of jeans which I just left in my room because I already wore these because I'm loving these. And this is actually a straight leg pair of jeans. I've never owned straight leg. I've only had skinny and mom jeans and boyfriend jeans. I've never had any other style of jeans before. So this is straight leg, and this is actually from Asos. I love wearing mom jeans, but sometimes I just don't like the fact that you lose all of your shape. But skinny sometimes is just too much and just too restricting. I just wanted something in the middle, and these jeans are absolutely perfect. And these are just going to be perfect for all year round, so not necessarily for winter, but still perfect for winter. It's a really nice thick kind of denim, definitely not stretchy kind of denim. They have some kind of ripped detail, but they're not super duper ripped like some of the jeans that I have, because sometimes just the rips honestly make you cold because all of the wind kind of just goes up the rips and you're like, whew. Plus it also has that step cut at the bottom, but I do roll these up personally just because I got these in a slightly longer leg. I do have longer legs, even though I'm only 5'4", I think. I have long legs, so I look taller than I am, even though I'm not that tall. From Asos, I picked up this, which is basically meant to be for loungewear, and it's basically this off-the-shoulder cream colored knit jumper. Now the arms are actually not full length, and I didn't know this. I wish they were long, but they don't look too bad. It's just I have a habit of doing this. I don't know if you guys will probably catch me doing this in so many videos because I wear everything oversized pretty much, but these aren't super long, so I can't do that with these. Definitely unfortunate, but it's not the worst thing in the world. I'm kind of being dramatic. So nice with the jeans that I was just talking about, just something a little bit casual. But because it's winter, we're liking the knit right now. I've got a few knit pieces in this haul. I think knit for this time of year in neutral colors are just so versatile. You can wear it with a bunch of different clothing, and because me being casual queen, I like to wear everything with jeans. I think this would look perfect with jeans. So I picked up some trainers and I'm so excited. So I picked up the Disrupted. I know loads of people have these. They're the really chunky style of shoe, and I think that's really in right now, and I didn't jump on the wave, not because I didn't like it or anything, but I kind of went on a shoe ban because I bought way too many shoes last year, and your girl needs to pay rent, so I stopped myself from buying shoes this past year, and I've started buying shoes again. These shoes are definitely the right kind of shoe to invest in because I feel like all white shoes you can wear with so many things. I wear my Air Forces to death, so I know I'm gonna wear these kind of shoes a lot. Plus they're so cool, and I feel like I will definitely get a lot of use of these in summer too. And then lastly from Asos, I actually picked up a little bag, and that's because I don't have a crossbody bag that's really small, something that I could just fit my vlogging camera in, my phone and my keys. I wanted something that you could just take with you when you don't want to take a bunch of stuff. I'm always taking my backpack. I'm such a backpack kind of girl, but I wanted something a little bit more suitable for if I'm going somewhere a little bit fancier, or just something where I just cannot be bothered to bring a backpack, even though I'm always carrying so much stuff. But but it's good to have this. So that's all I got from Asos. Next, I'm going to show you a few pieces that I got from Tiger Mist as well. So I got a few bits from Tiger Mist as well, and the first thing being a bralette. So you guys may or may not know, I'm definitely not a bralette kind of girl, but I saw this bralette and I thought it was so cute. I typically like to wear bralettes underneath sheer items, so I wouldn't personally wear this alone. I just want to show you guys here because I probably won't be doing a try on of this. I'm like showing my skin a ton, and I wouldn't be wearing this alone personally, so I just decided to pick this up because I think it's so nice, and just like draping things over this and just that kind of thing looks really, really pretty. So I decided to pick this up, and this is really nice because it's so nice and lacy, and also it has an underwire as well, which is super good for the girls that have a little bit more boobage. It works really well. Next, from Tiger Mist, I also have this really simple cropped button up tank vest kind of top. You can definitely pair those kinds of tank vests with like so many different items. I have this black cropped jumper style long sleeve top. What I really love about this is that it's really basic, but it's got a really pretty detail. It's got this like buckle effect at the bottom, and I think that's so nice. It's very different, and I haven't seen many pieces like that, so I decided to pick this up because it's just a nice little play on something really basic, and I haven't seen anything like that before, so I decided to pick it up as well. And lastly, from Tiger Mist, I have a pair of faux leather trousers, and you guys, I felt like Ross putting these on.
Oh my god!
Literally. Bear in mind, because it's not a stretchy kind of faux leather, they definitely are very, very tight, and then it does kind of ruche up a little bit. They look so stunning. They're not the most comfortable item of clothing, but sometimes you just have to suffer, you know? And I love this. It has silver detailing on it, which isn't something I usually wear. I'm more of a gold person, but this looks really nice with the top that I got as well. The one with the silver buckle on it, also from Tiger Mist. So next, I have some items from Missguided. First item I have is a checked, I think it's meant to be like a checked dress, but it's just like a really long checked shirt. For me, for now, I just feel like this would look so cool just like draped over anything. When it comes to my fashion, like I just do whatever feels cool to me. Like I'll do whatever, but I really love this, and I just feel like just draping a little bit of plaid or a little bit of something checked over just looks so cool. So from Missguided, I have this top that I am wearing. As usual, you guys, I'm pretty uncultured. I'm not entirely sure what this says. It could literally say anything. A little bit more like oversized feeling, which is super nice for this time of year. And then I also got this bodysuit, which is super nice. It's got red and black stripes on it, and also of course the detail of the slogan on there as well. Still don't know what it says, guys, don't hate me. So also from Missguided, I picked up a few more knitted items. The first one being this bodysuit. Now this looks absolutely tiny, and when I saw this I was like, excuse me. Once you put it on, it's fine. It is pretty tight. I bought this in an 8. It's just super stretchy, and it does fit like a glove, to be honest. It's very, very stretchy. It's just super simple. I think this would look so nice, even with like a bralette over this. More like lacy pieces on top of it would look super cool. This on its own with jeans, or with just like black. Oh, just so many possibilities with items like this. So I picked up this grey jumper. This is just like screaming Christmas to me, to be honest with you. All of these are so comfy. This is a little bit more lightweight, so you can definitely see through it if you shine a light or look hard enough. You can see through the little holes in the jumper, so you might want to wear something underneath this because it's quite cold right now. Well, depending on where you are. Where I am, it's quite cold. I think this would look nice folded up, tucked in, or just wearing it alone. I definitely feel like knitted items are just so crucial for this time of year, so I'm loving this as well. Also, another knitted piece, which is probably one of my favorites that I actually got. Don't love like really high necks that much, but when I tried this on, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. I wore this in an Instagram picture, and you guys really loved it as well. So it's a cropped ribbed grey jumper. It just looks really nice paired with some jeans. I also paired this with the faux leather trousers, and they looked so nice. They're very timeless as well. I feel like you can't really go wrong with buying jumpers. I hadn't bought from Boohoo for a really long time, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a few of the pieces that I bought didn't end up working for me all that well, unfortunately, but these are a few of the items that I really, really liked and ended up working really well. The first one being this really pretty teddy style hoodie. This is definitely not warm enough to wear as a coat because I wore it out to take a photo in it and I was freezing my butt off, so definitely wear either something over this or a layer underneath it. It's got the black detailing on it. It's got really long strings. It's of course got the hood. It's white and black, which makes it monochrome, which makes it my kind of vibe. It's oversized as well, so it's just like really easy just to drape over something. And then lastly, the last item of clothing that I picked up was this satin shirt from Boohoo, and I am obsessed with this. I didn't realize how much I could actually love shirts, to be honest. Because I'm such a casual queen, I feel like I honestly can't pull off things that look a little bit fancier, but I just like to do my little twist with this. So this with like a bralette underneath it, kind of like draped over or tied in a knot, is so cool, and I honestly love the way that this looks. And there's so many ways to style shirts, it's insane. It's a really nice layer that you can add on top of something, and again, like there's so many possibilities rather than just wearing it as a shirt as it is. Finally, the last item is a pair of heeled boots. These ones are like the sock style. It's like stretchy and very nicely tightly fit. It's got a block heel. I'm not like the most heel kind of person. These are perfect. You can't beat a good pair of boots. Nice amount of height, easy to walk in, and I love that this is like stretchy and it just fits onto your foot so well. So guys, that is the end of this winter haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I've got more fashion content coming. Also be sure to subscribe to my second channel because I also do lots of vlogging on there as well. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye. Mwah.